In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call a Microsoft Teams number. Whether you're reaching out to a colleague, setting up a business meeting, or just trying to get in touch with someone in your network, Microsoft Teams makes it incredibly easy to make calls right from your computer or mobile device. So let's get started and dive into the process. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in. It's important to use the account associated with the Teams service you intend to use for the call. This might be your personal account for staying in touch with friends and family, or your organization's account for work-related calls. After you successfully log in, your next step is to head over to the Chat section. You can find this option on the left-hand side of the Teams interface. Clicking here is your gateway to all your messaging and call options within Teams. Now that you're in the Chat area, you're going to search for the person you want to call by typing their phone number directly into the search bar. Microsoft Teams is pretty smart about finding the right contacts, so as you type, it may suggest the profile associated with the phone number you're entering. Once you see the profile pop up, click on it. By doing this, you're selecting the specific contact you want to communicate with. This step is crucial because it ensures your call goes to the right person, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names or information. Now for the part you've been waiting for, making the call, look for the audio call option on the profile you've selected. This usually appears as a phone or headset icon. Clicking this button initiates the call to the phone number associated with the profile you chose. And there you have it. You're now on your way to making your first or next call on Microsoft Teams. A couple of tips to ensure your call goes smoothly. Always double check the phone number before dialing to avoid any miscommunications. And make sure your audio settings are adjusted to your liking before you start the call. This helps in preventing any awkward start where you or the person on the other end can't hear each other. We've just walked through the essentials of how to call a Microsoft Teams number. Whether it's your first time using Teams or you're becoming more acquainted with its features, this method stands as a straightforward way to keep your communications flowing. Happy calling and see you in the next video.